Welcome the our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Cam IQ, quick install step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Nest Cam IQ and ensure all components are present. Locate the power cable and adapter included in the package. Choose a suitable location for your camera, ensuring it has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. If you prefer a wall-mounted setup, locate the mounting template included in the box. Using the template, mark the drill holes on the wall for installation. Drill the required holes based on your wall type and insert the provided wall anchors if necessary. Attach the mounting plate to the wall using the screws provided. Plug the camera's power cable into the adapter and connect it to a power outlet. Position the Nest Cam IQ onto the mounting plate and press firmly until it clicks into place. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Open the Google Home app and sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen to add a new device. Select Setup Device and choose New Devices. Choose your home and follow the prompts to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code on the camera's bottom. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation in the app. Customize your camera settings, including notifications and motion detection preferences. Place the camera in your desired position, adjusting its angle for the best view. Test the camera's live view feature within. Your Nest Cam IQ is now ready to use for monitoring your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.